Power Tour Day 3, starting now. Fingers crossed, we're just gonna head straight to the venue. Not gonna try to goof around, just get there, see some cars, and have a good day. Today's gonna be a good day. Are you on board for that?
Yes, sir.
We need a good day.
Kind of maple dip donuts, so it's gotta be a good day.
To stop number 3, Alabama, without any drama. Hopefully that trend continues. The support, the love, like the comments we're getting from people are absolutely incredible. We're having everybody sign, anybody that wants to sign the fender of the car, so it makes it suck less. It still sucks. I still want to cry, but it's all good. We're gonna go look at some cars and I'll show you that. If you're one of the people that signed the hood, or you know, told a story, shook our hand, whatever, gave us kind words, thank you very much. Two-door wagon. I think we figured out why the event hasn't been going so smoothly, because all of the signs appear to be right there instead of out the entrances. I guess, what do we know, right? Really cool trucks here too. Not a big F-body fan, but this is genius. Giant Ryobi fan in the back. That's orange is a great looking color on this thing. Remember this car from last year too. Thing. Look at that. Pallet of PBR. Oh, it's not. It's just wrapped in that. That's hilarious. It's like a box. There's a lock on it.
Spare engine.
I think that's gonna do it for today. Day 3 Hot Rod Power Tour in, I don't even know where we're at, Alabama. Got a few signatures on the fender here. Yeah, this is so overwhelming. Some super cool stuff. The bumper, even Isaac from Cars and Camera signed it. So it's talk about a way to make the situation a lot better. So if you're one of the people that signed this, thank you so much. One of the people we talked to, like, I was so bummed. I was like this close to throwing in the towel, and but yeah, all the encouragement. So thank you everybody, and thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and more tomorrow from Pensacola, Florida.